Nurul? Are you ready for your vaccination? Your 18-month vaccination. Oh, sorry, B. Saya tak perasan.
Hello. Are you looking? Oh, looking there? Yeah.
Ada apa tu? Cars? Cars at the car park?
Yeah.
Railway station? No, it's not our train. It's the other side-nya. Going Waterway Point. We are not going Waterway Point. We're going Punggol Polyclinic. Not yet. Train.
Huh? I thought we going this one.
No, the other side. No, Adam, not yet. Kita this side. Belum. We're not going this train. Bye. Bye. Faham, Adam. Bye-bye.
Mommy, Adam is buying the grandma.
Oh, is it? Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's closed already.
Ah.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, train. Oh, the air jets are starting. The morning air jets. It's here, Adam. Ada, kita naik. Hello, cakap. Yay! Up we go. Sophia, hold. Adam shy. Adam shy dengan orang. Come.
Don't squeeze it. Please stand
Okay, why are you like that?
Please move to the center of the car and hold on to the handrail. Thank you.
Adam is like train. Right, correct. Okay, let's go, Adam.
When we come there, we will also take the alarm.
Yes, correct. Go.
I don't want to plaster.
But the plaster is not cartoon, it's just a normal plain. Adam strong boy, it's okay. Adam strong boy. Kakak is here with you. Mama here, Bibi here. After this boleh rest, okay?
Sekejap.
Alamak, lambat lah.
Ayo.
Okay.
Don't use.
This hand you hold on to the wrist, make sure there's no.
Say hello first. Hello, then bye. Hello. We're going home. No, we're going the other side.
Dog.
Suka dia. Train.
Bye-bye dah. Bye-bye.
Now dah boleh say bye-bye again. Bye-bye. Cakap bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Adam, look. Your train is here. The train is here. Going.